Poppy's workshop here. The Sublime, the Abysmal, and the Just Weird 3. Continuation of the Sherline overview. If you haven't watched 1 or 2, you should really watch them. Get your popcorn and your fermented beverage. Be ready to fall out the easy chair from laughing. Because although this is serious business here, I'm trying to present it with a little bit of humor. In the Sublime, the Abysmal, the Just Weird 1 and 2, I talked about various things. The Sherline 3 Dacha, the Sherline rotary table, the Sherline indexing attachment. He had to move the rack, and he basically needed gauge blocks to set that rack for Abysmal. Well, I don't know what class this is in. I mean, it's beautifully made and beautiful. Fit and finished, excellent. Sherline compound slide. You notice I've got an aluminum tool block sitting in the front of it. You notice that standard 1/4" carbide bit. You notice where center is? No way you could put a standard tool bit on center. On your side of the axes of the lathe, the other side of the axes of the lathe, what I call the back side. And why people want to work on the back side of the lathe where you can't even see what you're doing. And this baby don't even put the tool in the right height for working on the back side. So I had to make this. And as you see, I've got it set at 84 degrees. If you know anything about working on the lathe, you know if you set your compound at 84 from perpendicular, or 6 from parallel to the axes of the spindle, with that slight convergence. You turn this goes 10 units that way, and the tool goes 1 unit that way, sneaking up on nominal size slowly, like it's a little birdie and you're going to shake salt on its tail. I was obligated to make this so I could use it in a standard compound slide mode. But now I can actually work on center because I made a tool block. I'm trying to sell dimension drawings of that tool block from another video. Go look there. Night night.